Alright guys, what's up? I know I'm looking a little bit crusty right now, but that's because I've been going for about 15 hours with a little bit of sleep in between that. Today we're at Sandals Montego Bay, and I know you guys loved the Royal Sandals video, so I just had to make one for this hotel as well, because we're all about the all-inclusive, we're all the experience, right? So right now, you hear that? That's a plane landing, right? So because we're close to the airport, Montego Bay Airport. So Sandals Montego Bay, and I have to show you guys this room. It is. So this is the outside of the room, right? This is the outside of the room. And as you walk up to the room, of course, you got your chairs here. You can come out and chill, relax. And of course, the tub. No, it's not a Sandals if they don't have the tub. I don't know. Everyone I've been to, they have the tub. So the tub, to me, is like the signature thing that says, yeah, I'm at a Sandals resort. I like this one because it's outside, right here on the deck. You can hear the waves. So I feel like being in this tub, it's like being on the beach in the water without actually being out in the water, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see what inside the room looks like. All right, this is inside the room, right? Now, the bed, we have to get a good night's rest, right? So the bed, you guys know the bed, you've seen the bed, right? Over here is our bar area. Of course, we're gonna be drinking a little drink. I feel like the fridge stock is pretty much the same. You guys have seen this before, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. Keep it pushing. Of course, these are always so nice. Drink your water. Saturday, Sunday. Wait, two of them says SAT. Well, maybe it's not Saturday, Sunday. So, all right, let's keep it pushing. Again, quick overview of this side as we make our way into the bathroom. Now, I don't know if we're gonna be sitting and steaming or what, but it looks like it got a bench in here. Right, nice little feng shui going on right there. Right, loving the decor, loving the artwork. Right, so that's our bathroom. Mirror on the wall. Who has the best all-inclusive of them all? Comment and let me know. Right, and of course, this is your that's motion. This is your closet. This is my suit for tonight. Yeah, that's my suit for tonight. And of course, two robes. The umbrella. Again, I feel like the umbrella is also a statement piece. All right, so that is it for. Hold on, let me. Yeah, so that is it for this room tour. Of course, tomorrow, I'll go walk around the hotel and show you guys what outside is like. The pools, the restaurants, as much as I can cover before we got to get out of here. It's a beautiful day. We're looking for something fun to do. So let's go to Sandals, baby. All right, we're here, and I hope you guys can hear me because it's very windy. The sun's in my eye. Yeah, and it's very windy. And I don't have the external microphone with me, so I hope you guys can hear me. Now, it is a huge property. I am going to try and show you as much as I can while respecting everyone's privacy and not missing my checkout time. Alright, so there is a footpath that takes you from one side of the property all the way onto the next. And I will follow that footpath all the way to the next side of the property. Now, again, this won't show you every single detail, but I feel like it covers a solid 80 to 90% of the property. The rooms are pretty standard. Now, naturally, if you want so naturally you can gauge what the rooms would look like based on the room that I've shown. In terms of the property, I'm gonna be doing basically a walk-in tour right now, so check it out. Here we have some swim-up rooms. You got your pool right there, and you can just swim up to your room. And as you can see, it's right on the front of the beach. Well, I wouldn't necessarily call it a beach, but it's on the waterfront. So, you know, naturally, the breeze is immaculate, right? A little closer. So we're gonna be following this footpath all the way to the other side of the property. Here we have what I assume to be a very chill area. You can come and relax and, you know, maybe have date night here. A candlelit dinner for you and yours. There is a restaurant here that is currently closed, but the food there is amazing, and they make it live in front of you. Yeah, so if you ever want to experience that, you can come here and experience that. Have them chop it up right in front of you. As I said, this restaurant is currently closed. It is Tokyo Joe's. But I think on that side over there, hold on, let me try to do a walkthrough. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be in here right now. Yeah, but they make the food live in front of you. So the chef is chopping it up and you get to see everything be prepared right here. So this is Tokyo Joe's, and I did not have the pleasure of experiencing their food on this trip, but I could see the chef making the food from my room, and it looks like an experience. Just to have the chef make it live in front of you is an experience in itself. So definitely recommend that one. Now I think this is another chill area right here. You can come and relax with the friends, with the family. Of course, there's a boardwalk going all the way out. You can go and get some breeze, take your photographs, you know. Further down on that side, we have some water sports going on. I'll get to that in a minute. And this is the first bar that I'll be showing you guys today. This bar is right next to the lobby, or in the lobby, right? So once you're in the lobby, you have access to this bar, because there's a lobby right there with a huge Christmas tree. And here's this bar right here. This is the entrance. You know, when you pull up, you would pull up over there, stop at the security and drive all the way in. Of course, Sandals sign right there. This beautiful entrance here. And when you exit that way, because there's no parking in this spot. But there is parking on property. When you exit, you go further down and there's a gate. You go through the gate and you park right there. All right. And of course, we have another beautiful Sandal sign right here for all your photo ops, stuff like that. You come, you take your pictures. Beautiful stuff. Paris right here. And it's a pastry shop. Do I need to say more? I actually need to get some pastries for babe. I'll be doing that shortly. All right, these cabanas, this is the main pool, by the way. And these cabanas are first come, first serve. So, you know, it depends on how early you get up. Once you come and you claim a cabana, as you can see here, there's stuff in this one. That means someone has claimed that cabana, right? This is the main pool. This is a smoke pit, you know, for all the smokers. You can go here, enjoy yourself with your smoking and it won't disturb anyone. Now, of course, these are your pool rules right here. Please pause to read before coming so you know what is what and what's not, right? Come on over to this side now. This is the main pool area. Of course, you can see the sandal signs across there over and on. You know, nice feng shui. We got the almond tree right there. We got some more cabanas on that side. We got some chairs laid out as well. We got the nice pool right here. This is the deeper end. You can go up to that side. Come down here. Make sure you can swim. Please, the beautiful sandal signs in the pool itself. So this is the main this is the main pool area, and this is where a lot of people will be spending time on their vacation. All right, let's move on and go further down and check out some of the beach spots. Oh, and I forgot to mention there's a hot tub as well for those of you who like that stuff. No jumping in the hot tub though. Pizzeria Italiano. I'm assuming this is Dino's right here. Yeah, because you see the ketchup on the ray and the red. Yeah. And of course, we can come play a little basketball. I'm not very sporty, but you might be. So you can come down, play your basketball. Oh, so the bars just are painted. I get a fresh coat, so we can walk on it right now. You understand? No basketball right now. But by the time you guys get here, it should dry and you can play some basketball. Right? 10 minutes. Yo, the man said 10 minutes. That's quick. I love it. Right? So within 10 minutes, this will be ready for basketball. We got stew fish over there. That's one of the Jamaican restaurants. Right? No, they told me that restaurant is the one that sells the curry mutton and the curry goat and the oxtail. And so if you do decide to come here, make sure you check out the stew fish, all right, and get some local food, some of that local cuisine. All right. This is for volleyball, I think. I see some flags on that side. It's pretty far, but as we get closer, I'll show you the flags, because y'all also need to learn your flags, man. Of course, more rooms, but again, if you've seen one, I feel like you've seen all. Right, so these are rooms. Over here, we have a shuffleboard court. I think it's shuffleboard. Yeah. So you can come with your friends, your family, play your shuffleboard, enjoy yourself. And of course, all along the beach are mini cabanas with beach chairs. So you can really just come out and soak up the sun. Get your tan or not, whichever one you choose. The option really is yours. All right. There's also a I wouldn't call it a human size chessboard, but it's not human size, but it's not regular size. But there is a chessboard here. At the last, where was it? We were in Orlando, and there was a chessboard about double the size of this one, but we can't play chess, so of course we never trouble that. Good. And of course, you can sit here and watch your friends play chess right here. Alright, let's get to those flags I told y'all about. So I'm assuming the flags represent places where Sandals have resorts. I'm assuming. I recognize Vinci. I recognize Canada, USA, UK, Jamaica. That's what, Bahamas over there. And there's one more, I can't really see it clearly. Wait, and Antigua as well. You see Antigua? Yeah. Alright, so those are the flags. Let's keep it pushing. I'm on over this, so I'll try signal me. But I'm not trying to take no punctual rides right now. Shout out to the Jerk Shack right here. Also Jamaican cuisine. Make sure you guys visit here. Get some food. You know, because you cannot come to the island and not experience island food. We have one more bar here. There's a pool there that says pool closed. I don't know why. Maybe for cleaning. And then we have latitudes out on the sea. Right? That's it. C bar over there. I won't be going over there because, hey, I'm not drinking right now. But that's the C bar over there, and the views from that bar, absolutely amazing. Amazing. What the hell am I saying? Absolutely amazing. Right? So if you guys, again, do decide to come here, make sure you check out the Latitudes bar. I checked out the Latitudes bar at the last Sandals resort that I stayed, and very nice bartenders. I feel like the bar itself carries a few unique drinks that the rest don't carry. So again, you have to go bar to bar. Once you're at a Sandals resort, I feel like you have to go bar hopping. Right? Do the right thing. But ladies and gentlemen, I feel like you've seen enough to help you decide if you want to book or not. You know, any more questions you have, feel free to reach out to the hotel, Sandals Montego Bay, and ask all those questions. But in terms of a guided tour, a walkthrough of the property and the room, I've been your host. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, so you can find out on the next episode where will we go.